Have you ever helped a person and later they hurt you? Have you ever trusted someone too fast and then felt regret? In today's slow and simple English story, you will learn clear English and a deep lesson about trust, kindness, and wisdom. Listen with your heart. Maybe this story will touch something inside you. Mira lived in a quiet mountain village. She had a small wooden house, a few goats, and a peaceful life. Most days, she worked in her garden, cooked simple meals, and enjoyed the clean mountain air. One cold evening, as the sun disappeared behind the hills, Mira walked home along the empty road. There, on the side of the path, she saw a man lying on the ground. He looked weak and tired. His clothes were dirty, and his hands were shaking from the cold. Mira felt a strong pull in her heart. She could not leave him there. "Sir, can you hear me?" she asked softly. The man opened his eyes, but could not speak. Mira helped him stand. It was not easy. He was heavy and weak. She supported him all the way to her little house. Inside, she gave him warm soup, dry clothes, and a blanket. The man ate quickly, as if he had not eaten in many days. He did not say much. In the morning, he left quietly with only a short, "Thank you." Mira felt good. She believed she had done the right thing. But 3 days later, everything changed. One afternoon, Mira returned home after feeding her goats. When she opened her door, she stopped suddenly. Her heart jumped. The same man was inside her house. He was opening her boxes, searching through her things. "What are you doing?" Mira cried. The man looked at her without shame. "I need food. I need money," he said. "You have more than I do." Mira froze. She felt fear, shock, and deep sadness. She had helped him when he was weak, but now he was taking advantage of her kindness. Mira tried to speak calmly. "Why are you doing this? I helped you." The man shrugged. "Kindness doesn't fill my stomach," he said coldly. "For me, survival is more important than promises." Mira felt her hands shaking. She quietly stepped back and ran out of the house. She first went to a neighbor's farm, but the farmer said, "You trusted a stranger too easily. This is your problem, not mine." He closed his door. She went to another neighbor. The woman only shook her head. "I don't want trouble," she said. Mira felt alone. Her eyes filled with tears. Then she remembered the old shepherd who lived near the edge of the village. He was calm, wise, and always kind. Mira found him sitting near his sheep. She told him everything, her voice trembling. The shepherd listened carefully. He did not judge her. He did not blame her. After a long moment, he said, "Show me where you met this man for the first time." Confused, Mira guided him back to the small place on the road where she had found the stranger lying. The shepherd looked around slowly. Then he nodded. "We will set a warning here," he said. Together, they tied a thin rope and a row of metal cups hidden behind the bushes. If someone stepped on the rope, the cups would fall and make a loud sound. "It is simple," the shepherd smiled, "but simple things can protect us." That night, as the sky grew dark, Mira felt nervous, but she also felt safer knowing the shepherd was watching. Just before sunrise, the sound of metal cups crashing echoed through the village. The shepherd ran to the place. Mira followed behind him. The same man was there, trying to walk quietly into the village again. But when he saw the shepherd and Mira, he panicked and ran away into the forest. He never returned. The shepherd looked at Mira kindly. "My child," he said, "your heart is generous. That is a beautiful gift. But remember, kindness needs wisdom. Some people do not change even when you help them. Protect your heart. Give help, but also set boundaries." Mira breathed deeply. His words felt true. She understood now that compassion is good, but compassion without wisdom can bring danger. From that day on, she continued to help others, but she watched more carefully. She learned to read people's character, not only their needs, and her life became safer, wiser, and still kind. Sometimes, the people we help are the ones who hurt us the most. But this does not mean your heart is wrong. It simply means you are learning. Life teaches us again and again that kindness is a light. But even light needs a safe place to shine. When someone breaks your trust, it does not mean you should close your heart. It means you should walk with more wisdom, more strength, and more care for yourself. Remember Mira. She did not stop being kind. She simply learned to protect her own peace. If this story touched something inside you, write in the comments what moment in your life taught you to be wiser with your kindness, and how you found your strength again. And if you want more slow English stories that guide both your heart and your learning, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.